Say mommy. He says Bobby. Mommy.
Bobby.
Hello guys, welcome back. First of all, can we acknowledge my hair? I've been doing so good with the no heat, and honestly you guys, when I did that video talking about why I don't wear my hair natural anymore, you guys gave me such amazing tips on how to take care of my hair and how to style my hair, and I cannot thank you guys enough because I feel like the fact that I've gone like a week with my natural hair, like I just refreshed my curls today. I just got them wet and scrunched them with gel. I just can't believe it, guys. I swear I was like, I'm never wearing my hair natural again. But you guys came to my rescue and I've actually been loving it. But anyways, you guys, you see I'm in my glam station. We're about to do my makeup. So Rissa and Quan actually came into town and they're staying with us. They just got in this morning. So we just hung out for a little bit and they're just resting because obviously they had a super long flight from New York. And we're just about to go out to dinner tonight and just do some shopping. So I just want to do a cute little makeup look. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Glamnetic for partnering with me for today's video. I'll be talking more about them later on in this video. So for my makeup today, I picked up some more products from Sephora. I got a new lip combo. I swear, I think that's the one thing in makeup that I get bored with is my lip. Even though I always wear nude, I feel like I always just need a new lip combo. I picked up some products from Patrick Ta's line. So this is the Patrick Ta She's Unapologetic. I think this is their lip cream. And then I also got his lip pencil. This is an Oh She's Single. What else? What else do I have? I got a little mini of that Charlotte Tilbury powder. Oh, I finally got the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I can't believe I forgot to even mention this first. But this was the last one, you guys, in Sephora. But if you guys didn't know, Anastasia just came out with this new brow product. It's so cool. It's like this gel. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up with it and we'll see how it looks. It's literally like, is this how you do it? Just rub your brush in it, right? Wow, it is super strong hold. It gives me Got To Be, you know the Got To Be gel? It's literally just like that. Did I put too much on? I feel like I put too much on. Wow. Holy. This brow freeze was not playing any games. I take that back because I've obviously used the Got To Be gel before, but this is like insanity. Now that is some strong hold. I'm about to do the other brow real quick. I'll just use my water jelly primer from Huda. It'll come out. Oof, it's squirting everywhere. So for the rest of this look, I'm just switching over to voiceover just to make it go a little bit faster. So I am just cleaning up my brows with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. And guys, I'm so in love with this brow freeze. Like just the rest of this day, my eyebrows look so good. And then I just went ahead and applied my favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline, I don't know why mine just blanked on what it's called. The Matte and Poreless foundation. And then for my concealer, I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer. And then I'm also applying some nose contour. And this is the Huda Beauty Tantour. And I'm just using the shade Light, I believe. And I like to do that at the same time as my concealer just so I can sharpen up the edges with the concealer. Then after I let that dry a little bit, I'm just blending it out using this sponge from e.l.f. I believe this is also from their camo collection, like the camo concealer range. And I love this sponge so much. And then I'm taking whatever is left over on my contour brush and just, sharpening up that contour. And then I'm applying my Derma Blend translucent powder all over my face to set it. And then for bronzer, I'm using one of my favorite bronzer, which is Benefit Hoola. As you guys can see, your girl loves her bronzer. I applied to my cheekbones, I blend it in my hairline and my forehead, and then I also put it in my chin as well. Not in my chin, but on my chin as well. And then for my eyes, I'm just using shades from my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. So I'm keeping it super simple. I'm just applying some of the brown shades to my crease and my outer V. And then I'm just taking the two lightest shades and I'm mixing them together and just placing that on my eyelid. But again, I just kept it very, very light. And then for my blush today, I'm using the Bobbi Brown blush in Nectar. This is one of my favorite blushes of all time. And now for my lips, I'm applying that combo I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. So this is the Patrick Ta lip liner and lip cream. And I'm just really making sure to blend out that lip liner before I go in with the lip color. And then to top off the look, I'm just going to apply a little bit of gloss in the center. And then I'm just going to set my face using the Dominique Cosmetics Hydrating Mist. I just finished up my makeup. I love how it turned out. I love this new lip combo and this eyebrow. It's just so bomb. As you guys can see, we are missing our lashes and our liner, so I'm about to do that real quick. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be using my Glamnetic lashes. So I'm going to be using lashes from their new Hello Kitty collection. Let me back up to show you guys, but how cute is this? So it came in this really adorable suitcase. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of Glamnetic just because they make it so easy and simple to apply lashes. I vividly remember the hardest thing about makeup for me to master was applying lashes. It honestly took me years. Lash glue is really difficult to use and it can take a lot of time to learn how to use it. So Glamnetic is a great alternative for those of you guys who are beginners. And I know some people are also just allergic to lash glue as well. So this is also a really great option. It just makes it so quick and easy to apply your lashes because they stick right onto the eyeliner. Also, the thing that really sucks with eyelash glue when you're first starting out is that it can get literally everywhere. I remember my tweezers getting covered with eyelash glue, and then let's say you stick on your eyelash and accidentally stick it on in the wrong place and you kind of have it like, you guys know what I'm talking about, when it's kind of like halfway on your eyelash. When you try to readjust it, it's just so much work. You have to re-glue it. That's the great thing about magnetic lashes. It's really forgivable. So let's say you put it on in the wrong place and you want to readjust it. You don't have to like re-glue it or anything. You can easily just move it and it will stick right on. So here is the entire Hello Kitty collection, you guys. We have 7 of these Jet Setter kits. And they come with a pair of lashes and a mini felt tip eyeliner. And again, these are super reusable. Again, because you're not using the glue, there's no cleaning involved. So you can take your lashes off and just stick them right back onto your case and you can wear them so many times. And the collection has 7 of these felt tip liners in a bunch of different colors. We have your classic black and brown, but there's also blue, purple, pink, orange, red. You guys know I've been super into color lately, so definitely look out. I'm gonna be wearing some of these colors soon. All of their magnetic liners are vegan, cruelty-free, and they're also waterproof as well. So here's what the Jet Setter kits look like. They're so freaking cute. They're little suitcases, like actual little suitcases. They roll, and look at this. You can actually pull it up and roll it around. It's so cute. So this right here, this style is the Hello Kitty medium. And again, each pack comes with your pair of lashes and your mini magnetic felt tip liner. Each one of the packs will come with a magnetic strip, so you can easily just place your lash back on after you're done and keep wearing them over and over again. And this one right here is in the style Choco Cat. Let me give you guys a close-up. I love the curl on these. And you guys can see the magnets along the strip of the lash. Here's a close-up of the lash applicator that comes in the collection. I'm gonna give you guys a little demo on my hand. So I'm just applying the felt tip liner. This is the black. Here's my lash. Boom. It literally just stuck right on. It is on there. Look at that. I'm gonna do my eyeliner real quick. Also, this mirror is from the Hello Kitty collection as well. So I'm gonna be applying Choco Cat first. I love this one, you guys. Look how easy this is. Ready? Get this inner corner. Literally so simple. I also like to take the lash applicator and just squeeze it all together just to really give that seamless look. Now the other eye. And there you go. That literally took me a few seconds to put on. No glue, no mess. And I really feel like this style looks like lash extensions, doesn't it? This next style I'm trying on next is Hello Kitty Medium. This is the beauty of magnetic lashes. I didn't fully get it on where I want it, so I can easily just pull it out and readjust. Here is the finished look, you guys. I'm so obsessed with these lashes. How easy was it to put that on? If you guys have not tried out magnetic lashes, you guys definitely need to, so make sure you guys check out Glamnetic. Actually, if you guys purchase $59 or more from this collection, you guys can add a Hello Kitty compact mirror of your choice and use my code NazKitty to get that for free. So again, you guys can get a free compact mirror when you guys use my code NazKitty. Just add it to your cart with your purchase. And you guys, it's 100% money back guarantee. So if you guys try it out and you don't don't like it, you can get your money back, but I highly doubt that because, guys, I am literally so obsessed. You're gonna love it. So again, make sure you guys click the link in my description box and use the code NazKitty. They also have shop now and pay later with Quad Pay. So again, links will be down below. And without further ado, let's get into the rest of our day.
Nah? Why are you trying to get on my back? You wanna get on my back?
Who wants to play basketball?
Ready to play some ball? Where your handle at? Where your handle at? Where your handle at? He said forget about this ball.
He sees wrists as Cheez-Its.
Yummy, right?
Hey, Vaughn. Forgot about your bath. Come get your bath. You don't want no water?
What is a bed? That's so New York.
He wants his Cheez-It.
Oh no, he likes my nails. Yummy.
Is that my mister? Hi, Kayvon. Up. Hi, Bubba. You want up? He said up. Up. Here, Bubba. There's a, ooh, there's a spider everywhere. Hey guys, we just came to Bye Bye Baby real quick before we head to the mall to get Juju and Des their gender reveal gift. I'm not sure if you guys are going to see the other vlog before this one or not, but you guys saw we did try buying them one at the mall the other day, but there was absolutely nothing. So hopefully we find something at Bye Bye Baby instead. Y'all want to say what's up to the vlog?
Yo.
Hey guys.
Miss and Quan. I'm so glad they made it out.
LA's weather is treating us nice.
Yeah, at first, guys, I was nervous for them because this morning it was chilly and cloudy and gloomy, and I'm like, please tell me they didn't bring the weather with them. Because every time my family comes to visit, I swear it's always our coldest week, our rainiest week. But luckily, the sun came out. It is warm. We got that LA weather.
Right. But somehow the weather in New York is better than LA right now.
Yeah, they were
Which is
saying New
very
York
weird.
is warmer.
Way warmer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, help us
Oh,
out.
wait, you guys
Naz.
haven't gotten your gift yet?
No,
Oh, okay.
this is tough.
Okay, so I was gonna get them like a bath set and then our sound machine that we love, because I like know that's like something they're gonna get use out of.
Yeah.
But it's hard for a gender reveal because you don't know if you should get like boy stuff or girl
Yeah,
stuff.
the
It's just
gender.
be,
Like, I want to do like
Neutral.
a little congratulations gift, but then like something obviously they can use for whatever.
yeah.
You can't go wrong with a car seat.
We're not getting no car seat.
I mean,
That's like baby shower.
That's the thing. Like
Okay.
baby shower, that's when you go like all out and get
Yeah.
something off their registry.
well, this is tough.
I
I've never
have
been
no
this before,
idea.
so
Yeah.
I'm not really sure.
I love this store. I swear, this is like they got
It has
everything.
everything in it, bro.
I want to see if they got. Let me see if they have the bath set. I wanted to get them the Honest bath set because I really like that one for Vaughn. It's like lavender. Here are the products. I don't know if they have the set. It's this line right here. Again, it's just hard right now at this phase to get them a gift because again, we don't know if it's a boy or girl. We don't know their nursery theme or anything like that. So it just has to be something. I don't know. I have no idea. This is cute. This Aveeno set. I loved getting sets like this. I swear I still haven't purchased like a baby shampoo for Vaughn yet because of all those little sets we got from his party. I know I'm getting him the Hatch. I know I'm going to get them the sound machine. So I just wanted to get them something else with the sound machine too. Hi, babe. All caught up with us. Come on, say mommy. Say mommy. He says Bobby. Mommy. Marissa and Quan found their gifts. Getting them this
Finally.
baby cook.
I think that's the perfect gift.
Does this one steam though too, or just the?
This one does
Puree.
both, so it steams and it purees the baby. food,
That's a
so-
nice one. I was telling
That's
them.
it right there.
Yeah, they were gonna get the baby bowl, and I have that, and I was like, I wish I got one that's steamed too.
Yeah.
So
This does both. So.
yeah,
All right, we'll do
dope.
this one.
Alright.
Cute. Ooh,
Still got
and
your
that's
stuff,
fun.
right?
Yeah. What, babe? Should we try to weed them off? I think it's time to get rid of it. I think it's a sign. Kayvon's pacifier broke, and Mel was like, should we buy him another one? And I was like, I think I think it's a sign that he needs to start weaning off. There it is. This is the sound machine that we use. This was the Plus. Two-way audio monitor. That's dope. Papa?
Papi, papi, papi,
What are you eating that's on your face? You're eating.
Laughing at the
papi, papi.
Hey guys, we are now out to dinner. It's actually pretty late. It's like 8:30. I don't think we realized how late we went to the mall because a lot of the stores closed at like 7. But we're at Bossa Nova. You guys know we love Bossa Nova. We linked up with Yasmin.
Hi.
So we are just about to eat. We're so excited to put Rissa and Quan onto this place because y'all know we love it so much. So we're like, we were hyping it up so much and I'm nervous. I'm like, what if they don't like it? Because I literally hyped it up so much. But yeah, I'm excited. Guys, we got so much food that they had to extend our table to fit it all. So here's Kayvon's food. Doesn't look that appetizing. His plate is over here. Right. So we just rip up his food. It's right here. We put it, you know, on his mat. But here's my food. Yasmin got the same thing. Mel got his Cajun chicken. Quan got the same thing. Yes, we got the chicken lasagna. Rissa got a really yummy pasta. We are eating so good. Oh, they like it? Yay. Alright, guys. Whew, that was a long yawn. It's been a long day. We finally got home, you guys. I just put Vaughn down, and it is the camera battery is charging, which means it's about to die soon, and Mel's naked.
And it's time to go take a shower.
Oh, that was
and
cute,
end
babe.
our night.
Why are you so warm?
So I'll see you guys later. Our camera's about to die.
Babe, why are you so hot?
I was wearing a hoodie and you.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, Mel literally feels like a fireball. But we're about to go to sleep. We're not about to go to sleep. I have so much work to do.
You should dye your hair black. Yeah.
I like my hair lighter. Oh, did I just poke you? Mm-hmm. I feel like the highlights show my curls more. My curls. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye, guys.